Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi'sEdulore English for All. The idiom for today is pig-headed. Pig-headed. Pig-headed means a person who is very stubborn or obstinate. Ziddi. A person who doesn't listen to others. A person whose mind cannot be changed. Let's put this idiom in sentences. It is of no use advising a pig-headed person. How much you try, it's very tough to explain or to advise a person who is not ready to change his mind. So you can call such a person as a pig-headed person. You cannot learn if you become a pig-headed person. So if you become stubborn and obstinate, it would be difficult for you to learn new things. Never have I met a person so stubborn, so pig-headed. He is so stubborn, I have never met such a person in my life. So pig-headed. It is not unusual to find such pig-headed persons in our surrounding. You can very easily find people who are very stubborn. They feel that what they think is the right thing. The pig-headed tenant refused to cooperate with the neighbors. He was so stubborn that he refused to cooperate and listen to the neighbors. You have become old and pig-headed. You don't understand things easily. When a person becomes pig-headed, he doesn't understand things easily, is very stubborn and does not listen to anyone. So here you have got another idiom. Now quickly frame a sentence and write it below. I'll be again back with a new idiom in the next video. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.